Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience using the product. In this video, we're taking a look at Zacks Trade, found online at zackstrade.com. This platform offers a unique approach to stock analysis and provides tools designed to empower individual investors. While the exact specifics of Zacks Trade features and services might change over time, this overview aims to capture the essence of what they offer. They appear to be focused on providing a combination of research, data, and screening tools to help users identify potentially profitable investment opportunities. A key aspect of Zacks Trade seems to be their proprietary research, which likely includes analyst ratings, stock rankings, and potentially even personalized investment recommendations. It's worth exploring how their research methodologies differ from other available options and determining if their approach aligns with your own investment philosophy. Zacks Trade also likely provides tools for technical analysis, allowing users to chart stocks, identify trends, and potentially uncover technical patterns. The depth and sophistication of these charting tools will be a key factor for active traders. Furthermore, the platform may offer advanced screening capabilities, enabling users to filter stocks based on various criteria such as market capitalization, industry sector, or financial performance metrics. These screening tools can be invaluable for quickly narrowing down a universe of potential investments. Zacks Trade could also include features like watch lists, portfolio tracking, and perhaps even simulated trading environments for practicing strategies. These supplemental tools can contribute to a more comprehensive investment experience. While Zacks Trade looks promising, it's important to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. Any investment involves risk, and it's crucial to conduct thorough due diligence and consider seeking professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Understanding the fees and any potential limitations associated with Zacks Trade is also crucial. Be sure to carefully examine their fee structure and ensure it aligns with your budget and investment goals. Finally, evaluating the user experience and platform usability will be critical for many investors. Factors like the platform's interface, mobile accessibility, and overall ease of use can significantly impact your overall satisfaction.